Welcome back to World Fun Bros, and as you see by the title, the vehicle is in limp mode right now. I'm gonna hand it off to my little brother Eugene, and he's gonna give you the quick rundown of what happened.
So pretty much, I pulled out the parking lot, stepped on the gas, was mobbing, hit first, second. As soon as I hit into third gear, I just noticed the car started bogging down and just started losing power. And I got a light right away that popped up on the navigation. It said engine malfunction, reduced power. So I got kind of scared, just pulled over right away, tried to kill the car and just restart it, see if the message would still be there. And I did that, and the message actually disappeared. So I thought it went away. I drove out again, started driving. And then,
It was running fine, right? Like idling or whatever.
yeah, idle, everything was fine. I thought it went away, and then I just driving. In the beginning, you can't tell either because I was just slowly accelerating. It feels normal. But then once I hit like 30 gear again and try to give it a little more gas, same thing, no power.
Yeah, pretty much after like 2,000 RPM,
Yeah.
you just quickly noticed like something was wrong for sure. But with no lights or anything this
Then
time.
I just pulled over again, and then I called my brother.
Yeah.
Just let him know what's happening. And then he told me just watch the temperature gauge and then try to make it slowly hum. That's what I did. Temperature gauge stayed the same the whole time. It was normal. Pretty much made it hum. That's it. Parked it.
Yep, so as you guys see right there, that's what happened. So quickly came home, it was around 7 o'clock. Got the scanner again from my uncle. He scanned it real quick. And then I confirmed when I came home, we scanned it again. But the car has no codes, no history codes, no pending codes, no nothing. So at that point, we're like, ah, crap, that sucks. It's going to be a little bit of digging to see what happens. So we started, like, in my mind, I started thinking, okay, so turbos, maybe vacuum lines. Didn't seem like a misfire. The engine was running fine with no misfires. So we began to just, drive to a gas station real quick because it was dark with some light and start inspecting the engine. And you will be surprised, but if you're a 335 owner, you'll probably, expect this or maybe even dealt with this problem. So let's get into the engine bay, see what happens.
There goes the. Sorry. Calm down. Let's go to the exhaust tips.
Oh, for sure.
Sneak peek, some new exhaust tips.
All right, we'll do a little unboxing later. So yeah, I don't know what's up with dogs and not liking male people, but they always be barking.
Good boy. Good boy.
All right, so let's do a quick little test fit right now. Try to show how it looks.
You just go in like this?
Yeah, just slide it in.
And then we put some water?
How weak. Yeah, it's just pretty much held it like this.
Just
Nah, we play with you guys, but shoot. That's the stock one right there. And that one's a lot fatter. And I like the little 3D little effect, how it goes inside. That's gonna be nice. How much were they? Like what?
80 for two.
Heck yeah, that's worth it. I'm gonna do a muffler delete and whatnot. Little bro, stay ordering parts real quick. This thing's about to be looking nice in about a week or two.
Needs a better bumper too.
Yeah, this bumper. Can't wait. Stay tuned. So last night at the gas station, we quickly popped the hood, start checking vacuum lines, trying to look at turbos or something. Can't really see much. It was super dark. But I do get to the charge pipe area, kind of working my way, looking at it. It seemed okay till I started kind of wiggling like this and just looking and inspecting the pipe. So right there, as you could see in that corner, it might be hard to tell right now, but that's what I noticed. So that part where it's supposed to connect to the throttle body, as I moved it like that, it was just wiggling around way too much and I could see it's not connected. So I was like, bam, right away. So what we're gonna do is pretty much remove this intake assembly, maybe even not the whole part, but we're gonna try to see and go deeper to did it fly off, did it crack, or what happened with that pipe. wiggling that pipe last night. Okay, you guys, come on, we're all grown-ups here, but yeah, we're at the gas station, wiggling the charge pipe, and it's true. We found play last night. We couldn't see, it was dark, but we just removed the intake, some little pipes here, and I mean, it's obviously super easy. Try to show you. Bam, look at that. So throttle, body, charge pipe right there is not connected. And as you can see, it cracked right here, so you cannot reuse this charge pipe. There's a C-clamp that's supposed to be here, it's gone. Funny thing is, dig deeper right there. Right over there, you see that? If you could even go closer. That's the gasket right there. So we do have that gasket down there, but obviously we're not gonna reuse it. So pretty much, if you could just record me. Pretty much, we need that charge pipe. We're obviously not gonna get a stock one, no point. This car is gonna have to get used to my brother's heavy foot because we're on stock boost and this thing already blew off. Maybe it had a weak spot, maybe the guy was babying it. He did take care of it, and then, you know, next door to my brother, he's not killing the car, but he just did a light pull and bam, this happened. So he said he didn't hear anything. Maybe he heard a slight whistle. He said he can't, like,
I mean, I was listening to music pretty loud.
Yeah, so that's not gonna help, but usually you would hear a bang, but maybe it kind of just came off, cracked a little, and that's what happened. So we're gonna need a charge pipe. Our options are either expensive or cheap, and we're not gonna go expensive or cheap, so we're gonna try to find best bang for the buck. Obviously try to get an aluminum one, not gonna use the stock one because we might be boosting this a little more with the JB4 in the future, so I guess time to upgrade now instead of later. So thanks for watching 405 Bros. We're gonna be ordering it up, and yeah, stay tuned for more.